In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to remove FxSound. So let's get started. So here we have our FxSound. The first thing that you would need to do is to make sure that FxSound is not running anymore on your device, even in the background. So you want to click here on the X button to close it. And check your system tray right here that you don't have FxSound anymore. In my case, I still have it, so I'm going to right click and click on Exit. And now, once the FxSound is now gone, you can now proceed by going to your Start menu. And from here, you can go into your settings or go search for it here directly. So you could go for Add or Remove Programs. And you should have this in your Windows settings and you should have this result. You want to click on that. And now you should have this Windows setting window. So basically, if you are not here for some reason, then you can always just open the Windows settings and just type in installed apps, and then you should find it right here. And now all that's left now is to find FxSound in the list of apps. So a faster way would be to search for it right here and just click here on uninstall. Once you have found that, click here, and then it will now uninstall your FxSound, and just like that, it is now uninstalled. And that's how you can remove FxSound.